What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have quite a bit of an adventure to go on. We are getting over a giant bump on the highway first, but we're heading to Hyperfast Cars, Hypercar Development, checking out some products on a McLaren, which is going to be a heck of a lot of fun. And then meeting up with a friend to do a photo shoot with the Supra, and I think we're going to a parking deck where we're going to hear some fun noises when we're there. Well, we got a lot going on. I have not driven this in a week, so. Oh my gosh. Oh, today's gonna be a fun day video. Today's gonna be a fun video. I don't even know what I'm saying. Alright, so we have now made it here. We are at Hyperfast Cars. You can check out their website down in the description below. They do some crazy things with McLarens and Raptors. The Ford Raptor, they do V8 swaps as they get rained on here. But check this out. We have a beautiful green McLaren 650S. And, well, we got some carbon fiber goodies that are going on it. The spec already has so much carbon on it. We got the side vents, all Alcantara interior, and then more carbon on the inside. And then even already has a little bit from factory. But this is definitely a sick car. Alright, well there we have it. McLaren hood, super easy to get off. Alright, first test closing. There's a good look already. Even check out the weave on the carbon. You can see how it's kind of separate for these little vents. And this is a P1's inspired hood. That's definitely really sick. Now, in a fun sequence of events, we are about to take out a 900 wheel horsepower, I believe, 12C. Now, the only other McLaren I've driven is a 650S, which was all stock. Alright, where's the life? Let's go for a spin. This one's got the turbo upgrade. Oh, wow. Gas, nothing too crazy. You hear like that wastegate, like turbo noises and everything back there. That turbo noise.
What do you think?
Brings back good memories of how fun these are.
Yeah? I've never been in one before.
Well, alright, your turn.
Yeah? I didn't get to push it too crazy, but that's pretty awesome.
First time ever driving a McLaren, what do you think?
It reminds me a lot of my Lotus.
Yeah.
But it is definitely way nicer.
Yeah.
And a lot quicker.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't do anything crazy,
but keep the door open, we'll get a cool photo.
It would definitely be fun to own one day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are heading out from Hyperfest right now, just doing a quick photo shoot with the Supra down like 30 minutes down the ways. We're following the wide-body M2. And we're gonna get some sweet photos. First parking deck ever with the Supra.
And there's a Supra.
Nice.
Right there.
Yeah, we got a black one.
What are the odds? Oh boy. Oh boy.
Hope you guys are enjoying the video of, well, gunshots going off. I'm getting dizzy actually.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we've made it to the 10th floor of, well, middle of the city. So they're getting some sick shots. And you can check everybody out. I'll have everyone's Instagram down below. Check them all out.
Cars, but I got a job.
Yeah.
Unless you guys up here, then they're gonna be like, I'm not doing my job. But that is not. That's nice, though.
Thank you.
I think I was not in Black.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that.
I got a guy that comes here with a Ferrari
Oh yeah?
a daily. I don't know who drives a Ferrari as a daily, but it's got you'll be surprised. Alright guys, sorry man.
No problem. Right in front of a cop.
Right in front of him.
Oh, he's not.
Is he a cop or just a security guard?
He's got a gun.
Although he's got a gun, so.
Oh, well, that is the fastest.
I don't take it on a race. That's the fastest you take it.
That is the fastest so far.
148. I took my Beamer about 130. I had a 335i twin turbo.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
At least he was cool.
Yeah, I guess he's at least a car guy. He said he had a BMW. It's like a little RC car, just zipping. Alright, so we are heading back now in the Supra, and I'm at 3,999 miles, so we are hitting 4,000 miles on today's journey. Hey, 4,000 miles, there we go. So comment down below, guys, what kind of mileage are you guys on your own A90 Supra? At 5,000, I'm gonna go in for the first oil change, but 4,000 right on the nose, look at that. And that is it for today's video. That was a lot going on for today's video. I think Mike is already all worn out. He's about to fall asleep on the passenger side, so maybe we'll wake him up real quick. But I hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the ride. We saw a lot, did a lot, had some fun, but that is about going to wrap it up for today's video. Oh man, I'll see you guys next video.